In this problem, we're going to divide polynomials using synthetic division. Synthetic division is sort of a special way to quickly divide polynomials using alignment based on like terms and eliminating the variables as part of that whole process. And we start by taking our divisor, x minus 4, setting it equal to 0 and solving, which in this case would give us 4. And we start our setup of the synthetic division by putting that number 4 in a little box off to the left side. And then next to that, we're going to take the coefficients, including sign, of the terms in the dividend, the polynomial being divided. And note that in this problem we're going from 4th degree to 3rd degree to 2nd degree to the assumed 1st degree down to 0 x's. So the original problem there that we're dividing is in descending order and no degree is missing. So what we're going to do is take those coefficients that I underlined, so 2, -5, we're just going to write them across on the same line as the 4. Then we're going to skip a line and draw a line. And the way we begin this process is by pulling down that first coefficient, 2. So the process is an iterative process. We're going to take the number in the box times the number below the line, so in this case 4 times 2, and put the result in the next column above the line. So 4 times 2 gives us 8, and we put it, like I said, above the line in the next column. And then we add, that's one of the big advantages of synthetic division, we get to add instead of subtract like in long division. So a -5 plus 8 would give us 3. And then we do it all over again. So this time we're going to take 4 times 3 and put the result in the next column above the line. So 4 times 3 is 12. And then we add down. So -16 plus 12 would get us a -4. Now we'll continue the process. So 4 times our -4, result goes up in the next column. That's -16. Add down. 7 plus a -16 would give us a -9. And one more time, the number in the box 4 times -9 comes up above the line in the next column, so 4 times -9 is -36. And adding down, we have -3 plus -36, giving us a -39. Now that's the entire process, and the reason I say iterative is because we keep taking the number in the box, 4, multiplying it times the number below the line, and putting the result in the next column above the line, add that column to get the next number below the line. So the numbers that are in the result are all going to be attached to a power of x. Now remember, our original 2x to the 4th, so this 2 is in the x to the 4th column, the next one the x to the 3rd, and so on. And by dividing out one power of, or 1 degree, each one of those powers is going to drop by 1. So this 2 is going to be attached to an x to the 1 less power from 4, which would give us 3, plus the coefficient 3x to 1 less power 2. And again, they're descending, so we can just go right down the line, -4 times x to the 1st power, -9 to x to the 0 power, or no x's. And then our 39 is actually a remainder. So when we have a remainder, we write the remainder plus the remainder over the divisor. And remember, our divisor in the original problem is x minus 4. So there's our final result, 2x to the 3rd plus 3x squared minus 4x minus 9 plus a remainder of -3 over the divisor x minus 4.